DTIF is a non-profit division of e-trading software, responsible for issuing and maintaining DTIs, digital token identifiers. DTI is an ISO standard that enables unique identification of digital tokens, facilitating much-needed transparency in the digital asset space. Why is it so critical to identify digital tokens? Let's look at bond issuance to highlight this. Traditional bond issuance is a well-established process. Trading venues and central securities depositories are well regulated and known to all market participants. A combination of ISINs and MICs is enough for regulators to understand the details of the bond and which venues it is traded and settled on. The inherent risks associated with a bond transaction are easily calculated, facilitating market transparency for participants and regulators alike. Increasingly, bonds are being issued as digital tokens on blockchains. While there are tremendous benefits to this new process, it's important to note that the increased transparency may be deceptive and limited to active participants of the blockchain. In fact, for regulators, transparency has actually diminished, and new risks to trading and settlement have emerged that need to be addressed. The problems start immediately, as a token can be issued on one or multiple blockchains. Currently, the identity of the blockchain might not be known at the time of the issue, so participants and regulators have no way of knowing which blockchain a bond is stored on, let alone the inherent risk of that particular blockchain. Furthermore, the vast majority of blockchains are unregulated, giving rise to additional risks to trading and settlement. Without regulation, there is no supervision, no enforcement, no effective transparency. It's like going back to the financial Wild West of the 80s. DTIF's Digital Token Identifier, DTI, resolves these issues by linking traditional issuance to digital. The ISIN identifies the asset, while DTI can identify the tokenized asset and where it's implemented. It's the key to unlock all of the benefits of trading on the blockchain. The DTI identifies which blockchain the token is stored on and links the blockchain to the instrument, tracking all transfers and ownership information across blockchains. As a result, the DTI can enable regulators to analyze raw data from any specific DLT financial instrument on the blockchain for the specific risks associated, understand the financial instruments at risk if a blockchain suffers an operational outage or event, and help identify, track, and analyze any price discrepancies where a financial instrument is on multiple blockchains. Using the DTIF Digital Token Identifier will ultimately make trading on blockchains a safer and more transparent world, allowing participants and regulators to reap the benefits of digital tokens while minimizing the risks.